Hi girlies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kavita. If you don't know me, let me introduce myself. I am Kavita and I love creating content based on makeup, daily vlogs and sometimes related to my profession. So as you all know that winters are here and my girlies want to slay on this winter with some really affordable yet easy makeup looks. So I am here to create that for you all. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, I'm starting with some wet wipes to wipe our face out if there are any dirt or any particles that stick with our skin. That glowy look. If you're wondering from which brand this one is from, this is from Zudio. It's called Grapefruit and Hyaluronic Acid Wet Wipes. See, it's really good. I really like this one. Look at the glow after wiping. It's really natural. So first I'm starting with a moisturizer, and you have to moisturize your skin pretty well because you know it's winters and your skin will get flaky and dry. We don't want that to happen. This one is from Vaseline Glutathione Renew Radiance. Look at the glow, guys. I love this. So the next product is this primer. It's from Lakme 925. So this one, what I like about this is that it has sunscreen as well as priming. So it's a duo, like two in one thing. So it has a 50 SPF as well as it's a primer. Just because it is winter, that doesn't mean you don't have to apply sunscreen. Okay, so apply your sunscreen pretty well. How you apply on your usual days. So the next product that I'm going with is a foundation. I'm using here is Maybelline Fit Me. It's in the shade number 128. This is very high coverage at this price point. This one is the best one in the market. I really like this because of the coverage level of this. It's quite good. So I'm using this brush from Lakme. Let's blend this foundation pretty well. Just look at the coverage, guys. It's quite good. I mean, at this price point, getting this is really nice. But go with your shade. Just don't go with this one. Maybe you have to check your shade number before going for this. See, look at the coverage, guys. I thought I'll apply less, but even though I applied less, it's like this. Don't forget your neck area. Actually, I want to do like a story time video while getting ready. Let me know if I should do that. So I'm going with concealer a little bit under the eye wherever I feel that I have a little bit of, uneven skin tone. So I'll just go there a little bit, okay? Not too much. Oh, by the way, this concealer is from Swiss Beauty and the shade number is 04 Medium Beige. Blend this well. If you have a sponge, use a sponge, but I don't know, I don't like using sponge so much. I like to blend my makeup with my brush itself. So for eyebrows, I am going with this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown, that is 102 shade number. So this, what I like about this is that it has a brush, it has a brush. You can brush your eyebrows well. So before going and filling up my eyebrow, I want to just give a disclaimer that I am not a makeup artist. I love to do makeup out of passion. So if I do any mistakes, please forgive me. those are done. Now let's move to the eyes. I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. It has all the shades in it. That's what I love about it. So I don't have to run here and there for any shades. So first I'm going with this brown shade. Just on the crease, Next, I'm going to go with this one. This is a bit like rose gold glitter types. Let me just show. This is what it looks. By the way, you can do this makeup for the winters as well as for the fall. If you are watching this at fall time, so definitely go for fall makeup look also. You can go for that look as well. So doing the same this side. I'm not a pro or an expert on doing makeup, so don't judge me the way I do it, because this is how I like doing my makeup. Usually, pretty much done. Yes. Now I'm going to use this one is from Swiss Beauty. This is a highlighter palette. It has broken, by the way. To use the first two shades, the white ones, for my inner corners. Okay, inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to use my pinky finger for this. Let me just show you how to do it. Something like this, and try to do for this side as well. And girls, I also want you to do it on the waterline little bit, okay, with just your fingers, very little, so you get a glow like this, something like this. If you want to make some other colors, you can definitely go for it. Because I'm wearing a brown dress, I'm going with this brown eyeshadow. You can definitely go for any other color. We are going to start with the mascara and eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I'm using this Mars eyeliner. It's ink black liquid eyeliner, this one. And for mascara, I'm going to use Mars mascara. So I'm going to use these two colors, these two things. You see that? And don't forget your inner corners of your eyes as well. Do that as well. So look at the differences. This left side, this is the right side. So this is what I was talking about. Mascaras are really very important. So it changes the whole look of the makeup. Never miss the mascara. We just did one coating of this mascara and look at the difference. I love this. You don't need to use a false lashes when you are doing this. You're using this one, mascara. Imagine doing this with 2 layers of this mascara. It is going to give you humongous eyelashes. You can also do your waterline lashes. Let me just do one coat of it. So we are done with the mascara, and look at the lashes, guys. Isn't it looking so nice? And so now my eyes are looking even more bigger than what it was. I really love this. It's the blush time. For blush, guys, this one is very funny. I like using a lip balm as my blush because it gives you a very glowy effect on the cheeks. I love using lip balm as my blush. So this one is from Sugar Pop, and it's the shade name as Plum 07. I love to use this as my daily blush. Even for my work, I use this and go. Beautiful. It gives you a beautiful glow to your cheeks. Taking with my fingers and just look at the pigmentation of this blush. Because it is winter, I'm going a little too much with the blush because we want that cute little effect with the blush. Just look at the glow after applying. Now comes the main thing, that's our lips. Now lips is also a game changer, and we were going to use the lip pencil from Mars, and this one is Edge of Desire Scandalous Brown. This is Scandalous Brown, so we're going to use this one. Just you have to outline your lips very lightly. The lipstick that I'm going is this one. It's from Nika, and the shade number is 23 Janvi. This is a pink nude color, so I like this. So the lipstick is matte finish. You can leave it as it is. Otherwise, you can go with a lip gloss on top of it. So here I'm going with a lip gloss. This is also from Mars, and I think Mars has to sponsor me from the next time. This one is in the shade Toffee 12 Candelicious Lip Gloss. This is how it looks. So let's go with this on top of it. Very lightly, not much. Just look at the glossy finish. I love it. This is done. Look at the lips, guys. This has, I was telling you, right, the lip gloss is also like a game changer to your lips. And look at them. So we are done with the makeup look. This is how it has come out. I genuinely love this look. I cannot wait to wear this outside. And this one is perfect for the winters. It's easy, affordable. All the products that I have used here are very affordable. I'll try to link all the products down in the description box for you guys to go and check it out. I cannot wait for you all to show me how you guys are looking, and don't forget to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is this. You can go and check it out. So until then, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And don't forget to comment as well. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys. Lots of love to you.